Vikram and Betal stories. Why wept? Why laughed? After a while, Betal said, I am very happy with you, Vikramaditya. Now I tell you another surprising story. This is a real incident. I have witnessed this. There lived a king named Chandrasen in the city of Chandrahridaya. He was very mighty king. He took a good care of his people. A rich man also lived in the same city. His name was Dharmavir. He had a daughter. Her name was Shobhana. She was very beautiful. Her father wanted to marry her, but she had told him that whenever she would like any boy, she would tell him herself. Till then, she doesn't want to be disturbed with any marriage proposals. Dharmavir didn't speak anything after that. Now a day came that thefts started taking place in the city, but the thief was not caught. Then the people requested Chandrasen. He sent all his soldiers on vigilance, but still the thefts could not be stopped. People doubted that the soldiers were with thieves. People again went to Chandrasen. This time Chandrasen decided to go on patrol himself. This made his soldiers also honest. After 3-4 days, when Chandrasen was roaming in the cities, he saw a man running away. Go and catch him, he ordered his soldiers. Soldiers followed him and caught him. He was found with stolen goods. He accepted that he was the thief. Next day, it was announced that the thief had been caught and will be hanged tomorrow after giving him a round of the city. People got really happy to hear this news. Next day, when the thief was taken for a round in the city, all people came out to see him. When the thief was passing in front of the Dharmavir's house, Shobhana also saw him. She got attracted to the thief. She immediately went to her father and told him that she wanted to marry him and she should be saved. Dharmavir was stunned after hearing this. He tried to explain her, but she did not want to listen. Shobhana said, I have chosen him my husband. If he was hanged, I will become Sati with him. Hearing this, he went to the king and requested him to free the thief. The king got surprised to hear this. He said, What are you saying? How can it be possible? The thief has to be punished. Otherwise, what my people will say? Dharmavir came back home disappointed. Shobhana was adamant on her decision. Dharmavir tried to explain to her, but she didn't want to listen to it. The news spread all over the city. The thief also heard this. When he heard it, he started weeping. Then the time came to hang him. The whole city was present there. The thief was brought at the place where he was hanged. He then saw the Shobhana also there. She announced that she had chosen the thief as a husband. That is why she would become Sati with him. When the thief heard this, he laughed. After that, he was hanged. Shobhana became Sati, carrying his dead body in his hands. She kept her promise. I have seen this incident myself. Still, I am not able to understand. That's why the thief first wept hearing the news of Shobhana's love. And why did he laugh at hearing Shobhana's become Sati with him? In fact, it should have been otherwise. He should have laughed at the first time and wept at the second time. Vikramaditya said, Betal, only the jeweler know the value of the gems. When the thief came to know that the rich man's daughter Shobhana loved him, he wept because he thought if this had happened before, he could be reformed. Second time, he laughed because of the foolishness of the Shobhana. He knew that it was only a part of her foolish character. Vikramaditya got silent after saying this. He had held Betal tightly and suddenly Betal laughed heartily in that dark night and said, You are right, Vikramaditya, and ran away from his shoulder. Vikramaditya again pulled Betal from the tree, put him on his shoulder and started walking. He said, If you will run away like this, I will cut you into pieces. Betal again laughed and said, No, Vikramaditya, you cannot do this because if you will cut my neck, then what will you take to the yogi? And he again ran away. Vikramaditya went away to that yogi without taking Betal. I hope you guys like this story. If you want more interesting stories from our channel, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Chinnari Kadalu. Thank you so much.